Hey everyone, so we are back with another super cool workflow, especially for the SEO and performance marketing teams who are scaling competitor landing pages. So, what you're seeing here is the final output fully generated, optimized, and brand aligned copy for a competitor page, created in just minutes. So, this workflow automates two parts of your writing. One is the copywriting part, the other is the research. So, it generates factual on brand landing pages, pulling directly from your competitor site and real user reviews like G2, Capterra, Trustpilot, and more. So in the inputs, you can plug in your custom comparison table, which compares your product versus the competitor, which stays intact throughout the content, throughout the page. Now, here is how the workflow works. So it starts with the inputs, the brand kit, the competitor name, the website, and the clear comparison table. So this needs to be precise and complete because this is going to be intact throughout the page. And finally, the Google Drive folder. This is an optional one. You can still add it. This way, the Google Docs will be added to your final drive. So next comes the research part, where it completely scrapes and summarizes the competitor website and review sites and takes and compares all the reviews from all the sites and completely give a summary of what the disadvantages, the pain points the users are facing from the competitor product. Next comes the magic, where you completely create the content, the landing page content, with Claude Opus 4. So with the highly structured prompts, including the tone, structure, audience, and brand voice to generate the full page copy. So in this stage, you can tweak the tone, messaging, or structure based on your brand language. And if you want to make changes at the end, or if you don't like the content, there is a step called human review, where you can review. If you're not happy with the content, you can decline the output, and the output will be generated again with the LLM step. Finally, there is a Google Docs integration, where you get the content in a Google Doc added to your final drive. So with this setup, your team can produce high quality SEO-ready competitor pages at scale without bloated timelines. Drop a comment if you wanted to just new workflows we should build next.